Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Iti Namane. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharane Nirvisesha Sunyavadi Paskatya Deshatarane. Well, I've been given the honor to say a few words to you on this occasion. 80 years is a long time, or at least it seems that way to me. So I was thinking how I actually never met you personally until you came to live in New Zealand. Of course, I had heard of you and your service to Srila Prabhupada and the important key activities that you were fortunate enough to be able to offer him. But we met first in person at your house I think it was in Auckland, or in the New Zealand area on the North Island. And I remember feeling rather nervous because I didn't know what to expect. And then when I met you, I felt perfectly comfortable. And we had a very nice talk, and I deeply appreciated that opportunity. I know some of your disciples. I know Devaprastha Prabhu, I know Parthasarathi Dasi, and I also know my old friend Rachel, who started her Krishna journey here in Perth. And each of them have a special quality also, because I think of their connection with you. There's a kind of unpretentiousness, it's a special kind of pridelessness almost. They don't have an example in you of somebody who's seeking position and fame and reputation. They have quite the opposite. And so I think that reflects onto them in a very wonderful way by their connection with you. I was also thinking how I really loved your book, A Miracle on 2nd Avenue. One of the things I liked most, I have to admit, because I make miniatures, is the amount of detail. Now, I don't know if that's the writer's privilege to embellish, or whether that's actually come from your memories of those days. But the amount of detail that was embedded into the stories made them come so much alive that it was a book that I both couldn't put down and also that I didn't want to finish. So I felt after reading about your relationship with Srila Prabhupada that it somehow enhanced my own. And I think probably that would be the kind of compliment that a person of your nature and your dedication would be willing to accept. So I'm very grateful for this opportunity to share some words of appreciation about your service and your example. And I would finish by saying that if it's not a case of great difficulty, it would be wonderful if you could remain with us for still many years to come. Your presence in this world is of great significance and great value in terms of sustaining the growth of many devotees in Krishna consciousness. So thank you, and Hare Krishna. Jai Srila Prabhupada.